treasure on the farm. Farmer Joe used to work very hard. He had spent many years growing grains on his field. He used to sell the grains in the market and use the money to bring up his 3 sons. But Farmer Joe had grown old now, and his 3 sons had turned out to be very lazy.
Sons, why don't you come with me to the field today? You must learn how to dig and plow the fields, and how to plant seeds in them.
No, Father, we're busy today. It's too hot to work on the fields today.
Farmer Joe fell very ill.
My sons must learn how to work now. I must do something before it's too late.
The next morning, Farmer Joe called his sons.
Sons, I can't work anymore, and all my money is gone.
Huh?
There is a treasure buried in the fields. If you dig the field up, you'll be very rich.
A treasure? Let's dig up the field right now.
The 3 sons then went to the field. They spent the whole day digging it up. But by the time the day ended, the sons hadn't found anything there.
Huh? There's nothing here. Father's grown very old. He must have been imagining things. I have an idea. Let's plant some seeds, since we are here now.
A few days later, Farmer Joe's sons noticed some crops growing on the field. And so, the 3 sons harvested the crops.
Hooray! We are rich! Let's show Father the money. Father, look! We are rich. We have plenty of money.
Ah, so you finally found the treasure.
Huh?
Yes, sons. Your hard work has helped you find the treasure.
The 3 sons thanked their father. They understood how their father had cleverly taught them how hard work was always rewarded.